Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to set up Passkey on Crypto.com. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set a Passkey in a Crypto.com app, a feature officially supported on both iOS and Android devices. First, ensure your device's operating system meets the requirements. Open the Crypto.com app, go to Settings, then Security, and select Passkeys. Tap Add Passkey, enter your device passcode, and complete any required two-factor authentication. You can choose to save the passkey on your current device, another device, or an external security key. For another device, select the appropriate option, scan the on-screen QR code, and follow the prompts to authenticate. To use a security key, insert it and follow the on-screen instructions. You can add up to 10 passkeys per account, giving you flexible and secure account to your Crypto.com app. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.